What's up, y'all? Hillbilly off-grid cabin build part 3. God, if there was ever any doubt that there's hillbilly, how many of you have a Durango with tracks under it? If you missed part 1, we were disassembling the cabin, moving it over to its new location, the old cabin that is, and moved the deck with it, did a little bit of the dirt work. Part 2, we did the piles. We did the sewer. We did more piles for the gates and more dirt work. What can I say? Part 3, we're working on the shed. Let's get right into it. What's up, y'all? Ian here, Halfcutgarage. Week 3, I thought I'd show you the Canadian fog. Look at this. Thick. We're hoping it's gonna break, maybe give us a reprieve for the weekend. Anyhow, like I said, day 3 off-grid cabin build. We're loaded up. 4 dogs, 2 cats. That's right, somebody else has joined us just for the trip, so she doesn't have to ride in the box with a pickup. Come along. We're gonna actually start building up this week, so here we go. You have arrived at your destination. It's tropical here, as you can see, bundle of wood. We're back, settled all in, forgot our camping chairs again. Life is grand. This should blow over, so if it does, we'll, before it gets dark, we'll show you what's going on tonight. If not, we'll carry on in the morning for another weekend off-grid building. Stuff happened in an alcohol-induced fury last night. It was raining. We decided we were gonna get stuff done. If it rained all night, then it was just gonna get worse today. So we moved the trailer around. We're kind of setting up here this morning, see where we're gonna be at. Sheds first. Anything to add there? Hey, this is a long ways to fucking haul lumber. You might want to get your ass over here and help the camera down. Fuck. Oh yeah, and it's my birthday, so that was my polite version. He can suck it. I'm busy. Anyhow, we'll get some stuff done here. I'll throw you up on a time lapse here somewhere, and shed's going over in the corner over there. Gutter board's all cut. So now I'm thinking we're gonna assemble it on this side here, put the base on it because it has to be insulated. So we're putting OSB on the bottom, and then we're gonna flip it over onto where it needs to be and put the insulation in, the sheeting, and then we'll build the walls on top. So let's get you guys moved and put you back on time lapse, and away we go. That's a wrap. Day 2, day 1. We always do so much on the night we get here. Anyhow,
We didn't this time.
we still did a fair bit last night.
Dude, fuck all.
In the rain.
We moved shit.
We moved everything around, got it ready. Anyhow.
That's my daughter. Oh, this is like a live feed.
This is the painter.
This is gonna get painted.
This is the painter crew here.
Yeah, they haven't moved all day.
Yeah.
As you can see,
Right.
it's still tan.
We got them all of this to paint, and yeah. Anyhow, we got this done for the inside. We're leaving the end wall. We don't have the door yet, so we don't know exact dimensions on the door. We're gonna do some trusses in the morning, and then we're gonna move on to the deck portion, and then the next portion after that.
It's a 3-piece floor system that we're gonna put together. So we're gonna do it in sections, and we're gonna start with the deck because, well, remote cabin building, and we're 4 sheets short OSB. Not sure why the engineer is allowed to get away with that, but they're like weathermen. They're allowed to get away with it all the time, be wrong, and still have a job.
The editor will insert an arrow here somewhere.
Engineer. Anyway, and then we'll be done.
Anything else to say about day 1?
The heat, even though we didn't have like blue skies and sunshine, the heat was like retarded. It was absolutely unbearable.
The only reason I'm wearing a hoodie is keeping mosquitoes off of me.
Yeah.
Okay.
We were leaking faster than we can drink it.
That's a wrap. See you in the morning.
make me do so much. Why is the key not coming out?
So you haven't turned it off.
Take home.
That's a wrap. Day 3. Good,
Day
the bad,
2,
the ugly.
remember?
Day 2.
We've had this argument that technically we come up on a Friday afternoon and leave on a Sunday afternoon, so that's considered one day between the two.
Yeah, so day 2. End of day 2. Short weekends.
Yeah. Shed's almost done. Yeah. It's a slow process when it's hot and cooking you.
Girls got half the outhouse painted. The wood shed painted.
Hi, beauty.
There's the shed. We got a tarp on it just to help keep the water out of things. Other shed's painted. I guess we'll be back in a couple of weeks.
Yeah, you guys got mud bogs next weekend.
Mud bogs
Mud bogs?
next weekend. Well, it won't be next weekend for you guys. It'll be like a couple of weekends ago. Mud bogs, but... We'll see. We should have these out here shortly.
Oh.
At least the first one. Anything to add from the painting division?
Other than they're slower than fuck.
Right? We built a shed and they couldn't even get it painted.
We didn't even build a shed. There's no roof. There's no front wall. There's no door. There's no shed.
Enough out of you.
Enough out of you.
You gonna fly your broom home? I've heard of fast food, but fast wood? Well, that's a wrap for this one, you guys. The shed. Well, the idea for the shed, as you see, we slammed that big water tank in it. It's gonna have a backup Jenny in it. It's gonna be the main powerhouse, the main water pump, feed, everything else for the cabin. So the shed's going up first, then we can use it as a building, a facility to work out of while we do the rest. Hope you're enjoying the series. Hope you're passing it along to everybody that you can possibly think of that might want to watch it, because that's the only way that a channel like mine grows. Look at this old girl. We're gonna make something cool out of this here in the next couple of months. You just stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, hit that bell so that you know when the next video is coming up. Appreciate y'all.
I succeeded! You fucked that one up!